morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today I Manju again here with my second topic of block 1, real and imaginary. So further proceeding, I would like to the parents to gather all the resources for today's class. And what are the resources for today's class? CB, NB, WB. Content book, notebook and workbook to keep with you. Is our agenda today? Our agenda is first is questioning, then activity part, after then discussion, then workbook and then homework. First we will do the questioning part. I will ask some question, then we will further moving on the activity. After then we will discuss about the activity, then you will do the workbook S2 and then I will tell you about the homework. Today my topic is real and imaginary. Okay student, what is the meaning of real? Yes, the things in which we can touch, smell and feel in real life that are real. Now what is the meaning of imaginary? Okay students, are you watching cartoons? Which is your favorite cartoon? My favorite cartoon is Doraemon. Okay, some of students might, I think so, they also like Doraemon. Yes, have you ever seen Doraemon? No, you have not seen. Have you ever met him? No, you have not met him. Why have you not met with him? Because they are imaginary only. Pokemon, Doraemon, fairies, these are imaginary things. These are not real. You cannot touch them, you cannot feel them. You just watching them in the television only. So these are the imaginary things. So what is our aim today? Further proceeding to the aim, I would discuss about the previous topic. What did we do yesterday? Yesterday we read the story about Anya and the dragon. So what is our aim today? Identify and compare the real and imaginary elements of a story. Identify and compare the real and imaginary elements of a story. What we are going to do? हम क्या करेंगे आज के लिए? हम जो हमारी स्टोरी है उसमें से रियल और इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स जो है स्टोरी को उनको कंपेयर करेंगे. व्हाट आर द कीवर्ड्स? रियल एंड इमेजिनरी. ओके, व्हाट इज द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ इमेजिनरी? Imaginary, because it is a long word, so you can break it into two pieces. Imaginary, image plus nary, imaginary. So this is our aim. Further moving on the action part, what will we do in this? We will do one activity in this. What will we do in it? We will read a story, and after listening the story, what will you do? You before listen the story, what will you do? Parents, please help your ward to make this table on the notebook. What will they draw? They will draw like this, real and imaginary, and they will make a table like this. After reading the story, they will write the real part here and the imaginary part. Students, now here. I'm going to read the story, and you will read the story. You will listen the story very carefully. I have a small family. My father is an engineer and my mother is a doctor. My younger sister is in class 1. She is very strong. She can lift a mountain with one finger. Her hair is as long as a river. She can fly higher than a plane. She loves going to school. She is good in her studies. She loves to eat too. We can eat a truckload of food every day. She can eat a truckload of food every day. Yes, students, what was there in the story? In this story, someone is telling about his family. In this family, he is telling that my father is an engineer and my mother is a doctor. And he is also having one sister. She is in class 1. And she is very strong. वो बहुत strong है. She can lift a mountain with one finger. Mountain को उठा सकती है वो एक finger से. Her hair is as long as a river. और उसके hair कितने long है? River के जितने. She can fly higher than a plane. And she can fly also. And she can fly higher than a plane. Plane से भी ज़्यादा तेज उड़ती है वो. She loves going to school and she is good in her studies. She loves to eat too. And how much she can eat? She can eat a truckload of food every day. Yes, students, now it is time for the questioning part. You have listened the story very carefully and now I am going to ask some questions which are based on the story. Yes, students, were all the things in the story real? Yes, all the things in the story were not real. Some things are real and some are imaginary. And my next question is, what are the things that could be real? Yes, students, were all the things in the story real? All the things in the story were not real. What are the things that could be real? Yes, what do you mean by the real things? Yes, things that we can touch, smell or see in real life are real. My next question is, what things could be imaginary? Things that cannot happen in real life are imaginary, which you cannot see, which you cannot touch them, which you cannot feel, those things are imaginary. Now I have written the things which are real and imaginary on the board. You can see what is the real thing in the story and which are the imaginary thing. My first thing, that have a small family. Yes, you all are having a small family. You all are having families. Father is an engineer. Yes, this thing also can be the real. Mother is a doctor. Sister is in class 1. Now further moving on, imaginary part. Sister can lift a mountain with one finger. Can you imagine this thing? Can a girl lift a mountain with one finger? Yes, I don't think so. It is not possible. So it is imaginary thing. Her hair is as long as a river. Her hair is very long as a river. Could it happen? Have you ever seen so long hair? Yes, it is also an imaginary thing. She can fly higher than plane. A girl can fly? Yes, I also don't think so. They cannot fly, so it is also an imaginary thing. Yes, students, now it is time for the second activity. As you read the story previously, yesterday we read the story about Anya and the dragon. Now what will we do? Find out the elements as real and imaginary from the story Anya and the dragon. Yesterday we read the story about Anya and dragon. Now you will take your notebook and you will make a table like this, real and imaginary. And what will you do? You will find out the real elements and the imaginary elements from the story and you will write here in your notebook like this. So parents, please help your ward. You can help because this is a partner activity. So parents, please help your ward in the story. They will find out the real and imaginary part from the story. Yes, now it is time for analysis part. So I am going to ask some questions which you have done in this activity. So my first question is, have you ever seen a dragon? You might have not seen. We have not seen the dragon. We call dragons imaginary because there are no such things in world as dragons. Why not? Because there are no such things like dragon. We have never ever seen the dragons. What do we call something that is not real or true? They are not real like human beings or animals. We only read about them in the storybooks. Would you call the princess and the king real or imaginary? Yes, as I have written on the board, princess is real and imaginary dragon, and king is also real. Do all stories have imaginary things? Student, you might have listened many stories. Do all stories have imaginary things? Yes, all stories do not have imaginary parts. Some stories some stories elements are really only. Why do we add imaginary parts to a story? Can you think about this? Yes, we are adding this imaginary part to a story to make the stories more interesting or funny. The dragon in this story makes it interesting. You can suppose if dragon was not there in the story would be that much interesting. as you have read, no, it might not be that much interesting. The dragon in the story makes it interesting to imagine, as we like to read about things that are magical or not real. Now my next question. Can you name a few things that are real and a few things that are imaginary? Yes, you can think, and parents, please let them think your word on their own. They can, so that they can improve their thinking skill. Yes, the things that we see around us, such as people and cars, are real. Things we cannot see, touch, or feel, such as dragons and magic carpets, are imaginary. Yes, student, now it is time for application, in which we will do S2, but that is given on page number 12 in your workbook. Now, students, open your workbook, S2, page number 12. The heading is real and imaginary. My first question is, read each sentence carefully, draw a smiley if you think the situation is real and a magic wand if it is imaginary. What will you do in this question? You will draw a smiley face if the sentence is real, and you will draw a magic wand if it is imaginary. In A part, the frog turned into a prince. Frog turned हो सकता है prince में, so it is imaginary sentence. So you will draw here a magic wand. The dog sang the birthday song. My sister is older than me. I met a giant on my way to school. I have a rose bush in my garden. Second question. Read each sentence and write why it is real or imaginary. You will read them and then you will write why it is real or imaginary. First sentence is, a fairy godmother visited me last night. Fairy, you have listened about this word in the stories also, so you can think over it and you will write about it if it is real or imaginary. B part, my father takes me to school every morning. Third part, write one thing that an imaginary thing and can do and real people cannot do. So you will write one thing about the imaginary thing and one thing about real people cannot do. Yes, student, now it is time for HW. What will you do in this HW? You will read a story of your choice and write the real and imaginary elements of that story. मीन्स आप अपने चॉइस की कोई भी एक स्टोरी रीड आउट करेंगे और उसके आप रियल और इमेजिनरी एलिमेंट्स अपनी नोटबुक में लिखेंगे. And I'm suggesting you here one story of Cinderella. You can read that story and you can read of your choice also. So this is your homework. Yes, student, what have we learned today? Yes, we have learned identify and compare real and imaginary element of a story. Which things are real and which are imaginary things. If we are going to connect all these things with our real life, so what are the real things and what are the imaginary things? First, I am talking about the imaginary things. Okay, students, have you ever seen Doraemon? No, you have seen only in the TV, na? It is an imaginary. Yes, Doraemon. Pokemon you have seen? Yes, it is also imaginary. Fairies have you seen? Yes, they are also imaginary. And what are the real things? You are real. Yes, you can touch yourself. You can see yourself. Your father is real. Your mother is real. Your house is real. Cars are real. So these are the real things. So we have learned about the real and the imaginary for the next class. You will open your workbook in this, the first page. You will tear this page and make the cutouts. Both the sides these are given. You have to make these cutouts and be ready with these resources. Thank you. Have a nice day.